Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Base Network with Trust Wallet. You can easily add Base Network with Trust Wallet. For that, you need to open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Trust Wallet. After you do so, you'll be taken to Home. Now on the top right corner, you'll be able to see two small circle icon. Tap on the given icon. After this, here you'll be taken to Manage Crypto option. Now tap on All Networks option present on the top left. Now here you'll be able to see the networks that are available. Tap on Base option. Now here you'll be able to find tokens available through Base. Now you can look for the tokens that are important for you. Then tap on the toggle next to the token. Like here I'm going to add ETH. You can add number of tokens that you want from the Base network. After you choose from the given tokens, you can also choose individually. For that, tap on the plus icon on the top right corner. Then here you can add the token manually. Now when you go back to the main home page of Trust Wallet and scroll down, then you'll be able to find Base network tokens available on your front page. This is how we can add Base network with Trust Wallet. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.